So hi guys, this is my Toyota Yaris 2016 model. I got this on June 23, 2016, and I have been driving this for the past 3 years and 6 months or less more. I'm not sure. And I had my power outlet cigarette lighter busted maybe 3 months or 2 months just after I bought this, simply because of a faulty phone charger that I bought from a cheap Bacala. So let's see. This is not working. And I have to fix this because I am having trouble charging my phone. So let's try this with this AM receiver. So see, it's not actually working. So first thing first, we have to locate where is the fuse box and the diagram for this particular power outlet. So let's turn this off, get this off, and let's check with the manual. So I have the manual here. It's a good thing always to keep the manual. Let's see. The manual says that the fuse, see here, the fuses is located on page 315. So let's check 315. I've already made a mark here. So here, the Toyota Yaris has two fuse boxes, one on the engine bay and the other one is on the dashboard. See, just right here, just above the steering wheel. So let's see, where is the lighter, cigarette lighter? It's not here. It's not here also. So it should be on the instrumental panel. See, maybe here. There, number 19, power outlet cigarette lighter. Okay, so it should be here in this dashboard. First we have to check the engine compartment to see if there is there's an I'm trying to locate if there is a spare. So this is the fuse box. Okay, so we have here a spare. Let's check on the diagram. See, it says here spare. So this is the spare, 10, 20, 30. Okay, so let's check the control panel. So this is the, I don't know, this is used to pull out the fuse. Anyway, let's check this. I actually have tried this opening already, this one. So first is we have to find a screwdriver. See, flat screwdriver and some cloth. You have to wrap your screwdriver with a cloth so not to destroy the panel. So we have to put the screwdriver in between this, and push it gently but firmly until the dashboard pops out. See it pops, and then we have to pull this out gently and slowly. So just pull. See, it comes easily. Okay, so there's the fuse box. So where is the cigarette fuse? There, let's see the manual. The manual say it's at 19, right? This is 19. So number 19, this is the one, number 19. So 1 2 3 4 5 from the corner. Okay, so it's upside down, so let's count. It's upside down, so it should be 1 2 just there. 1 2 3 4 5. So this is the blue one. See guys, the blue one. So let's pull it out. The blue one. Okay. Oops. There we go. We got it. Let's check this one. Let's check this guy. Oh. Can be seen by the camera, but actually it's really blown. See? It's blown. So I have, this is actually 15, and there is no 15 spare. Oh, we have there 10, 20 and 30. Okay, so actually I already know that I don't have 15, so I managed to buy an extra. See here, you can't actually buy piece by piece, you have to buy a set. See, I have here 15, so let's change this one. Okay, let's put this back. Okay, I'm sorry, I'm only alone. Okay, here we go. Just put it back like here. I put it back, and let's see. Oops, be careful not to drop it. It will be very hard to get it. Come on, baby. I'm having a hard time. Just get inside. Okay, there you go. Just pull this, push it. Okay, let's try. Where's the ignition? Where's the key? Yeah, I have the key here. Let's try this. It's fixed. Okay. So let's try if this works. Hopefully it will work. There you go. Okay, now the power outlet has come back to life. That is how simple it is to change the fuse. You probably save about 100 150 real for that. Okay guys, thank you. Hope this is helpful.